Hello everyone, welcome to Will's Kitchen. Today we're going to make the famous Mang Inasal in the Philippines. It's a chicken restaurant known for their best juicy, so yummy all the way to the bone, and it's full of flavor. I remember when we visited in the Philippines last June, my boys just love it so much. When we're home, they want me to recreate it. Let's go ahead and start. Alright, so here's all our ingredients. A cup of water, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of a vinegar, onions, half the onions, ginger, half of the ginger that I showed in the picture earlier, garlic, that's a whole garlic, chop it, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt. And this is a lemongrass. All you have to do is just have to bruise it. You can bruise it with your knife. This is our chicken fat, which is we trim it from our chicken earlier. Ground anato. This is our base when we grill the chicken. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it all together now. The water, soy sauce, our vinegar, and then our brown sugar. We just have to kind of like mix it so the flavor can dissolve the sugar. Good to go. Now let's go ahead and put our onions. Ginger, garlic. So now let's go ahead and put our lemongrass or tangwad. Just keep it going back. And then our salt, and then a pepper.